Hello again, it's Darren from Investor Income. My new trade is on Coca Cola. Just a quick little video to update you what positions I've taken. And I've got in on Coca Cola right here, where that line is. And we will see how this one pans out. I've only entered a small position. It is outside my preferred range, which would be around this mark. I do expect a bit more downside on this one. It's come off its highs. So that's why I've entered a small position. It could extend further, but I've been waiting to get into this again and just entered another position. So I'm very excited about that. I have got a couple more positions on Coca-Cola, which I'll go through in a different video, but they're from a while ago. So I've been wanting to get in on it, and I haven't, and I don't quite know why I haven't. I've just kind of been occupied by other things. So I do like this stock, and it's, how can you not like it? It's been around forever. And we've got a 3% dividend yield. It's obviously very secure. I'll just switch over to, there we go. So we've got Coca-Cola here, and we've got 5 financial strength, 8 out of 10 profitability. The Altman Z score is safe, as we all know with Coca-Cola. It's very, very well diversified stock, which I like a lot. So it is a nice one. Like I say, I have been waiting to get in on it. I wanted to for a while. I didn't. So I don't know. Kind of hesitated on it for some reason. I don't know why. I went in on Cedar Fair the other day as well. And I've also taken another position, which I'll show you in a second. Before we go on to the other position, I just want to go quickly back over to ExxonMobil. You see it's come back down off where I sold it. So I'm expecting this one to come down again. It's going to test this range at the bottom, I believe. We will see where it goes from there. It's still in that wedge formation that we talked about a while ago. I don't like wedges and formations, but we are coming down to this point where it's hit. It'll be a 4th time if it comes down here. So it's likely to break through to the downside, I believe, judging just on where these moving averages are going. But however, that's not necessarily the case. We can get a bounce and extend higher. So who knows where it's going to go. I'm just going to trade this one off my indicators and make my 5% as usual. So yeah, that's quite exciting. It's doing what I sort of anticipated it would do, so that's very nice. Please do look at my Exxon videos if you would like to have a look at that. And I'm just going to go over to a trade here. First a sec. So this is Leggett and Platt, and this is one I completely missed. I don't know whether it's just been my focus or what, but I mean, you can't anticipate that kind of move. But I was going to buy down here, but I didn't really. Looking back, and I didn't really like the price section at the time. So it shows you can get it wrong in a very, very big way. I mean, that's a 20% move there. That would have been nice. I missed out on that one, so a bit annoyed on Leggett and Platt. And let's just have a quick look over at General Mills as well. So this is one that I'm currently in. You can see my entry level there at 58. I was thinking of coming out of this today. General Mills, not overly sold on it, but I'm thinking, yeah, it's got barely. It's not even got my 5% yet. So I was hoping for a bit more of a move upwards. So I'm probably going to hold this one. I think I'm going to live to regret it, but we shall see. What happens with that. It's not gone high enough for me. I would have liked to test this lower range here. So I am looking for probably about 53 on it before I consider selling it. It's almost hit that anyway, but yeah, it's just not doing much really. It's not really done as much as I'd like it to. If it moves higher, and yeah, we'll see how we go with that one. And I've also my Molson Coors trade. That's a funny one for me. I'm in Molson Coors, raised a few eyebrows on a lot of people, and I think they're not particularly well positioned, and it's kind of got a fairly downhill. It was just an impulse trade, that one for me, really. Obviously the average is looking bearish and blah blah blah, but my belief is it's fundamentally a good company. I like the brand. Pretty much all the reasons you shouldn't buy a stock. However, that's it. It was showing that it was a good buy, and I'm just going to stick with this one. I think it could be potentially quite a good level. It's probably going to drop off a bit more, Molson Coors, but we shall see with that one as well. I don't know, something about it. I think that's something you've got to go with in trading. if you actually like the stocks, run with them, you know. So we are over on the Guru Focus, just what I like the look of. Now, this is pretty much what I shouldn't have done, basically. So we've got a few warnings. They're not great financially. They're making profit. We've got a lot of debt. We've got distress on the Altman Z-score. So I shouldn't really be in this stock, according to my rules. So I have, and you can see that is a lovely downtrend. You couldn't really get a better downtrend. So technically I've broken my rules. I shouldn't be in this stock. We are, however, still in a bullish situation here. But my reasoning was it's come down a lot. These stocks tend to do well, in my experience, when the economy kind of rolls over a bit more. You've got fundamental people carrying drinking when times are bad, you know. So for me, it was a bit more in a kind of weird way, as a kind of a defensive kind of move, which is counterintuitive, but they've got a lot of assets and things, so I like it. You know, I don't know. I don't know why really I bought this one. But I did enter at a low level, in my opinion, so it's come off a lot of its highs. It's not too badly distressed, but it has got a lot of debt, so it may turn out to bite me, this one, but we shall see. I'm just going to go back a bit further here. Hopefully it will go back further for me. My internet is just, I think it's the trading view on these averages. I've had this in most videos where it goes back and then just dies. But yeah, it's not one I've traded much really, so I've just entered it, and we shall see where it goes. It has a nice action on it, so we shall see. 2008, obviously it's taken a big hit there, but we've had a come off the highs as well, so that's just under 50% on that one. So how much off the highs are we at the minute? Let's go back. We are currently at, come down over 50% already, so we could look at serious issues if it does come down, if there is a tailing off. We shall see. We shall see. Like I say, it's an impulsive buy, so we shall see what happens with this one. Okay, do take care of yourself. Have a good weekend, and I will talk to you all again soon.